This is our facility at Banas Medical College and Research Institute, Palanpur. This is our corridor that is leading to the laboratory, which is equipped with a feedback box for the patients and the necessary signages, and also a fire extinguisher for the fire safety along with its use. This is the main entrance door to the laboratory. On entering into the lab, on the left hand side we have our sample receiving area, and before that we have a buffer area where we have a shoe rack, a fire extinguisher and a first aid kit, and the sample receiving room on the left. This whole lab is having three main corridors. This is one, this is the second corridor. The sample receiving room has a window so that the sample can directly be given to the person without entering into the room, and there is a separate entry for the staff, and this room is equipped with the PC as well as a rack, and importantly there is a pass box which leads to or helps us to pass on the sample from the sample receiving room to the next room, that is our Ellicott room or the sample processing room. But before that we have the PPE donning room where it is equipped with the hand washing facility as well as the storage for the PPE. Both are available there, and from here it leads finally to the Ellicott room or the sample processing room. Herein we have a biosafety cabinet for the sample processing and all the necessary items that are required for the sample processing at the first place. We have all the biomedical waste bins here, and then this finally leads to the PPE doffing area or the zone. This is built inside from the Ellicott room itself. So this is the sliding door which leads us to the doffing area, which is again equipped with the biomedical waste bins and also a hand washing area, and then this can again directly leads us out on the other corridor with a sliding door on the other side. And this finally leads into the corridor leading again to the next room, that is the RNA extraction room. The RNA extraction room is also equipped with one biosafety cabinet and a refrigerator, as well as all the necessary biomedical waste bins. This is another biosafety here, and we also have the refrigerated centrifuge and a vortex. This refrigerated centrifuge is of Eppendorf, and then required pipettes, tips and all the other items in the RNA extraction room. Here again we have another pass box. This is for passing on the extracted RNA to the plating room. Here the corridor ends and opens into another corridor that is leading to the pre-PCR room and the template edition and the PCR room finally. But this is the pre-PCR room or the master mix preparation room. This is again equipped with the -20, which is 200 liters for the storage of the kits, and we have one vortex and a micro spin, and also a biosafety cabinet here again for the preparation of the master mix. And this too is equipped with the necessary biomedical waste bins. So here again we have another corridor. This is the third corridor. So finally, from the pre-PCR room we are moving to the template addition room. Here what you see in the corridor is the common hand washing facility as well as the biomedical waste bins. So this is a designated common hand washing area. Then the template addition room or the plating room, which is separate. So again this is equipped with another biosafety cabinet with the required pipettes, the biomedical waste bins. Importantly, we have here a plate centrifuge and a fridge or a domestic refrigerator, that is 400 liters. And then from here we are finally into the PCR room. And we have here our BioRed PCR machine, thermocycler, that is CFX 96 touch with the UPS, which is 3 kV. So this is our main lab where we have all these facilities. And finally this corridor, which has one room which is the freezer room, where we have our -80, and this is our -80 from the Thermo Scientific, and we also have another -20 which is 400 liters. So this is our freezer room. Then there is our general storage room. This general storage is for the storage of all the other necessary items that we utilize here. So this is again equipped with the 2 cupboards. And then finally this is the office, equipped with 2 PCs and printer for reporting. So this is the office room. This too is having a rack and a cupboard for storing the files and the registers. मैं पॉज करूँ जब यहाँ थी सीधा में जता रही है ना
आना से बताओ
ना ना ना
ओके ओके पॉज करें एक मिनट बाद में
We have the autoclave room or the biomedical waste management room both together outside the lab but on the same floor. That is for the management of the biomedical waste. So this is our autoclave room and the biomedical waste room, where we have the designated autoclave for the decontamination process and also the necessary waste bins for the storage of the biomedical waste that is generated. So we treat the waste, and after then we discard it. So this was regarding the total facility at our place, that is at Banas Medical College and Research Institute. Thank you.